Chinese automaker BYD is developing one of the largest industrial complexes ever built, an EV manufacturing ecosystem so vast that its land area surpasses that of San Francisco. The goal is to bring every phase of electric vehicle production into a single integrated location, something no other automaker has attempted at this scale. This closed-loop design allows BYD to streamline operations, cut transportation costs, and rapidly implement technological upgrades. Within this megacomplex, nearly every component needed for EVs is manufactured on-site. Batteries, motors, software systems, seats, wiring harnesses, and power electronics. By producing so much internally, BYD reduces reliance on suppliers and gains full control over quality and innovation. This level of vertical integration is a major reason the company has overtaken global rivals EV volume and battery technology.